everything decides to happen at the same time. Everything that happens seems to be coming back.
That's what a war does. I had 2 sons, now I've got 1.
I'm gonna make you so happy.
Chris, I've been ready a long, long time.
He's gone.
What do you want me to do? What do you
I
want?
want you to act like he's coming back, both of you.
There are certain men in the world who'd rather see everybody hung before they'll take blame.
No, everything they have is covered with blood.
If you got something to say, be civilized about it.
Don't civilize me!
You don't realize how people can hate Chris. They can hate so much they'll tear the world to pieces.
I never saw you as a man. I saw you as my father.
What could I do? Let them take 40 years? Let them take my life away?